Hi, my name is Mr. Iqbal, and in this video, I will tell you that how you can find some good quality keywords. If you're a blogger and you are a SEO expert and you don't know how you can find some good quality keywords, how you can use the tools for free, and what are the tools that you can use, and as you know, the most important tool or the most perfect tool till that date is the Ahrefs. And if you like the Ahref and you have not enough budget to purchase the subscription of Ahref, then what you have to do? You just come on the Google Chrome and like Ahrefs, search.os. So here is the tool that helps you to find good quality keywords like so. You can see the free keyword generator. Okay, you have to click on that. And so here you can see that free keyword generator. This is the free tool by Ahref. Okay, so yeah, definitely it will gives you some limited access. But if you are a beginner and you have no budget to purchase the Ahref plans, so it's the best thing for you that you can use Ahref free plan. In this, uh, it will give you almost 10 or 8 keywords for any of your query. So if you can change the keywords and get more better results. So here I will write some keyword like I can search for anyone like YouTube, in like Amazon, Bing, and Google. So most of the people search on Google, so that's why I type for Google, and I'm looking for digital marketing keyword, and I try to focus sounds like United Kingdom, and now I find some keywords. So it will give you some of the keywords that help you to write some better content. So it's just verifying, and after verifying this, it will provide us its results. So it will take me 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, and then it will show the results. So here are the results, and now you can find that here are some of the keywords that are very important and very low KD. KD mean the keyword difficulty. Here is the volume and here is the update. So uh, in the keyword research, what you have to do? You have to focus that any of the keyword that you are using, it have good volume and also a very low KD. If the KD is less than 30, it's a good keyword. So here we can find some of the keyword that have low KD. So these two keywords are great. This one have 0 KD and 4.8 is the volume, and also this one and this one. So these keywords are great for uh, if you're a blogger and you can write good quality content on these keywords. So if you want to change some of the keyword, like if I want to find some more keywords like this, so I just copy it and go there. And now I will find more keywords related to this one. So here are the keywords. So this is the basic strategy that how you can find some low KD and high volume keywords. So here you can see that digital marketing jobs in London, and digital marketing remote jobs. Like these are all the best keywords you can use for your blog, you can use for your content. So in this video, my purpose was to show you that how you can get good quality, most updated, and most relevant keyword through Ahref for free. So if you like my video, please subscribe this channel and also share this video to the people who need for the good quality keywords. So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.